So I'm vlogging last minute because my friends decided to eat lunch for my early birthday celebration, and I'm vlogging for my birthday now. It's just a last minute decision. I'm headed to my mall plaza because that's where we all are meeting, and it's kinda gloomy and sunny at the same time, as you can see the sky. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my outfit later. Man in the streets. Hey guys, I'm vlogging last minute. Gracias. Wait, where are we going? Up there, okay. We're in. We have the panjang. Nice.
We're back together again.
Hi guys. So, where are we? Where are we? Where are we guys? Where are we? So, I ordered my usual grande, ice white cream mocha. I ordered
The dragon fruit mango dragon fruit lemonade.
grande din sa'yo.
Girl, I don't know. I think we're staying. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And we're gonna do a haul. Oh yeah, outfit check.
So this is my pre-birthday outfit.
So this is shorts and no. This one is from Foster. This one is from Forever 21. This one is from Foster. This one is from Go. Where's your outfit from?
Hollister. This is from I think Shein. And bag from my sister.
Okay.
From Macy's. And from Lulu, Abercrombie, Victoria's Secret. My sis.
Oh my god.
My dad.
The whole thing.
But yeah, I'm gonna open. This is Hallie. This is away from This is from Hallie. This is from Mary. So I'm gonna go for Hallie's first. It's a pink color bag. Are you gonna cry?
Pakita mo yung card. Okay, pakita mo.
So ito yung card. Wish big. Tapos may cupcake. Tapos ano to, mga bedazo. Tapos candles. So we're gonna read it.
This is a power bag. She's making me feel bad.
Okay. Yes, to more travels. Period. Yes, I look forward to being a work bestie again. Same path. Yes, more giant adventures. Okay.
I can't wait.
Okay, so go with this one first.
Sure.
Rich. Tapos may sticker na gift. Tapos happy birthday nakasama.
Bought it for matching. Char.
Tawag doon, color dark, bluish. The shade blue.
And I picked the butterfly because your Instagram name has a butterfly. Okay. Okay.
So I got mommy, got this pearls, and then oh my gosh. Yeah, I have 3.
Yeah, I didn't bring your ring.
You're gonna see me.
Yeah. No.
Okay. So this one naman.
That's just because it was cute, so I got it. Okay.
What is this? Ooh, the little mermaid
Under
eye pattern. Oh, I need this. I need to like.
Yeah, I never tried that yet. Like
We'll
putting
try
something
it.
on my eye.
We'll try this tonight or before we go to bed. Moving on.
Moving on from Merry Chris.
So it's wrapped.
It's wrapped?
What's expected.
A dog. A dog daw.
Okay. Oh, okay. So,
Wow.
I love chocolate. So, never mind. It's
Naka-attach.
Yeah. The color is like cute. When I have to match my outfit and color.
Yep, there you go.
I'm going for a blue. Let me grab this blue. Oh, I forgot. Yeah.
May letter din siya.
Okay, so, happy birthday.
Cute.
It's giving contented. And then,
Okay. Nagkamali. Pinaog.
Pero okay lang. Okay. I was thinking next year. More adventures with you too. Thank you, Rosie. Thank you, Bestie. Thank you, Bestie. Oh my god. Thank you, Chris. With the Bible verse. We love that. Love that. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Ooh,
What's in the box challenge?
okay, man. Kayo muna titingin for me.
Wow.
More claw clip.
One more claw clip.
Flower.
Flower. Cutie.
Tapos, parang asshole. Joke lang. What is this? Is this?
Lanyard. For your car keys. Jar.
So happy.
Homeowner.
Ano?
Yes.
It's like ito pala siya. Tapos nakaganyan. Basta and then we have a glossy lip. Then we have this. This is from
Keychain.
ano mo?
Cute. Okay.
She's cute. And
Guys, mahal yan.
oh, Gucci. Oh,
Ito yung pang-card.
Hindi nyo kaya yan. Hindi nyo kaya. Then we have
Stickers.
Okay, moving on. Ito, ano kaya ito? Ano kaya ito?
Glass daw.
Naka-wrap pa siya. Tanggalin na lang natin.
Sige, dahan-dahan lang. Uy.
Sabi dahan-dahan.
Dan, 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 dan. Aww.
It's all Kenny Kenny.
Kuha Kenny Kenny.
The flowers. Like your bag.
This is so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Pang
Carpet.
coffee, yeah.
Okay.
Sip, pen, pencil holder, pen
Pang the new
holder.
car.
No, kasi
Safe ba siya dun?
mababasa.
Oh, yeah.
Because of the heat.
Mhm.
We cannot put this in the car.
Right? Just need
So,
come out.
yun lang guys. That's
Give me.
Thank you for staying tuned dito sa car.
Yay!
So, update. We are at... Ano yung tawag sa park na to?
babe!
No, that's not gonna come to you.
No worries, best.
We're here.
So
Wait, where are we? What park is this? I forgot. Shoot.
Park? Blaze.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That park. So, dito kami. Nag-chill lang. Guys, I don't have any plans for tomorrow. I don't know what to do. I might be working on my finals. Final paper.
Essay na lang sa amin.
Mas mabuti pa yun kaysa sa group work, I would say.
Well,
Siya, umupo na siya dito kasi may aso.
may asong papunta. Ano yung aso? This place is for dogs too. We gotta share, okay?
It's not just for you. Just because of that dog. She's scared of the dog.
No.
Okay.
You can sit.
Okay. I cannot wait you right now. So guess what, y'all? We're at my room. It doesn't Americas. She's laying down now. See Howie? She's working on her project. Her business 311 project. See, and then we're listening to Taylor Swift. So yeah. Anyway. Oh, she applied for TJ Maxx. Yay!
Yes. They hire me now.
Please call you. You know.
Call me.
Hurry up, gotta blow it so you can make it. Hurry up, blow it before it's out. Girl, that's a zero
Wait,
already.
why am I praying?
Oh, you're gonna eat?
Yeah, I'm praying blessings.
Don't mind the other candle.
What am
Yay! She's 22! As you can see. Boy or happy birthday? Look like George Washington. Troy! Oh my god, you know that you should be happy for me because I use a lighter. I don't know if you have that, but you get too long.
Change the size.
I told you they didn't have it. They did. In those colors. Oh, just red.
We're gonna see.
She's gonna cook. You can still wear that. It's adjustable. Just stuff your Girl, you gotta see the front too. You're crazy. You gotta show your
Ew, so annoying. This is her.
No, that's you. I drew that. I drew it because it's weird. I take the price. You don't have to open it. You only can open it when I go with you.
She got me these.
Do you think I fit you well? Or is it?
I don't know. Okay, gracias. She's abusing me, guys. Disturbing my slip. Cut. Nah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
It's matcha, I think.
Thank you.
It's a candle too?
No.
My camera was bad. Send me that video.
This is good. This is good. It's what Natalie.
Music.
Sige,
It doesn't work if it doesn't have that. You have to read.
Okay, look at that. Okay, let's see.
Wait,
Ang cute.
kung ayaw mo, balik ko ha.
No. Ito, Toy Story siya. Megan! No way!
I don't make it for a lot of people. I've only made a couple.
No way! No one ever did this to me!
Okay, it was supposed to be 365
Pero,
for every day of the year. Pero wala akong nabiling magandang jars. So maliit lang. So I think mga 100 lang sa loob.
you're so creative!
You can open one.
Okay.
Oh, it's a verse. This one's a verse. Okay. There's more.
See, this is one.
So like whenever you're sad, you can just pick one out.
Pero hindi siya color-coded.
And then it was supposed to be, pero wala akong space.
Okay.
It's supposed to be like yellow for like songs.
Okay,
pink for
okay.
like, you know. Yeah.
Okay, so every day meron akong bubuksan.
Kung gusto mo or whenever you need it.
This is gonna be on my table. This?
It's just an extra. I like dragon.
I'm gonna be putting this in my car.
Is this Squishmallow? Yeah.
Thank you, Z.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Now you get the song.
Yeah.
But
Okay,
yeah.
thank you.
I feel like you got a bad one. Pick another one.
Okay. I would choose my purple ba?
Meron.
Okay, ito. Ano kaya to? Is it?
Drawing to.
Oh, it's still a verse.
Balik mo na!
It's still a verse. Okay, next. Okay.
Verse na naman.
Oh, it's nice.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is the song that I sent her. Oh,
That one is good. That's good.
Yes. Ito
Okay.
pa yung sa Instagram.
Yeah.
The song. Oh my gosh.
I like that song. So whenever I play it, I think of you.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
But then I think about everyone in my life too. Cause like, you know.
Just with a smile.
But yeah.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Sige.
Okay, I'm gonna
So
put
every time
this
you open
on-
something sa akin ah.
Yeah, okay.
The ones I really like on there, actually I like to figure it out. It's like you wouldn't expect it.
Okay. Okay guys, yun lang po.
Yun lang po.
Kukuha kami ng
Sorry,
cherry.
may budget
Ano
po eh.
yun? Okay lang. At least it's from the heart.
Yes po.
Ice cream. Thank you, Z. Thank you. Umiyak na. Okay.
Bring a parachute, 'cause this one's gonna hurt for sure. Segment, falling down with you.
That's my car right there. Period. Hassle. Hey guys, I'm driving my car and focusing on the road. I'm trying to like get used to this car because I'm driving that car right over there for about like years and years now. Yeah. Anyway, I have a new car, yay! And Rashawn is like filming me, and I cannot look at you guys because I'm focusing. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I get home.
Hey guys. Oh, the light's on the top.
So, time check, y'all. 11:49 on a Wednesday, July 12th. It's been so long since I kind of vlogged, so I'm gonna show you my car. But this is a quick car tour. This is my car. Oh, that is not any scratch. It's that one. So I have a Toyota Corolla XSE 2023. So I have the newest one. So on the front I have the dragon fruit which Rosette gave me. Then a hat from Maui that I bought. You can see it in the vlog. So this is how it looks like in the front. So here, and then we have stuff, and this one I just bought this earlier. This is for my phone, so you gotta put it there. Over here I have my bag, so I don't have to like get it or stuff. Then I have tissues, napkins, brush, tote bag, then the books that it comes with the car, for the car, about the car. It doesn't really have anything because I don't want to leave stuff like it will get messy, that's why. So in here I have my money, alcohol, some hair ties, claw clip, coins, my sunglasses, and pen. In the back looks like this. Nothing special. So we have an umbrella in case it rains and I needed it, and my jacket, and then I have my tacos right there. I don't know if that's tacos or sandwich. That's about it for the front. Now let me show you the back, like the trunk. So this is how it looks like. I have the BT21. So this one and that one, RJ and Shuki is mom's, but she let me put it in my car. Then I have my small ones right over there, like all the characters. And then this is how the back looks like, and then the trunk looks like this. So this one is, I don't know what to put here yet, but I put stuff in here. This is my work bag as well, and over here is for the car, cleaning stuff for the car. And yeah, that's about it for my car, y'all. 360 view. You can see me filming this. It's shiny. I just cleaned this earlier this morning. That's all. Thank you guys for watching.